Hello and welcome to a new video of Munich-Ai. Today I have a new video for you, and in this video I don't want to talk about any specific technical things or webhooks or anything like that. I thought about it's nice to make a video just from the scratch and tell you the basics of a DCA-Bot. I will make more videos about this. They will be really short, like 3-4 minutes, and in every video explaining really fast what a DCA-Bot is, the most important settings that you learn step by step. Why is it important to have a DCA-Bot? What's the advantages? And so on, and what are the most important functions of it. With this first video, let's talk about the basics. So why should I use a DCA-Bot? Why should I use a crypto bot? So let's start directly. Maybe some words before. I'm Patrick from Munich-Ai. On my website, I will help you setting up DCA-Bots, crypto bots, and I will help you one-on-one on a Skype call or Google Meetings to set up everything, set the risk for you, the specific strategy, and also you can buy my shop, Backtester, and you can learn everything about crypto bots, especially DCA. So let's talk about DCA bots. When we jump into Tradingview, let's start from the beginning, is a platform where I can check out all cryptos, shares, and everything about the values and what's the current price for it. So let's say we have a Bitcoin, which is of course volatile, not as volatile as other cryptos, but let's start with Bitcoin. So you see Bitcoin, people buy Bitcoin and keep it for a long time. That's quite nice. Hopefully they're getting a lower point. But what's happening if you use a bot? If a bot is specifically for buying for you a lot of small positions like DCA. So when we talk about DCA is called dollar cost averaging, and it just means, as also known as the average cost effect. It's an investment strategy where you regularly invest fixed dollar amounts of consistent intervals. So if you have like 10,000, you split 10,000 divided to 10, like let's say 1,000, and then DCA means on every, let's say, months at the beginning you spend 1,000, doesn't matter how the price is, and every time on the same date. So, but the DCA bot is more clever. So a DCA bot can not only buy at the same time, especially every beginning of months, but DCA also can, like a bot, start into a position with a specific amount, and then once the price falling down, it's really important to fall down, it will put in more funds of your total capital, and this you can define with different settings. I will explain in the next video. So let's see what's happening if we use our backtester and have a DCA strategy. So this is a normal value of Bitcoin, and the bot is able always to trade when you're asleep. It's without emotions and so on. You set it up once and then let it run and generate your money. So for example, on the DCA bot, it starts immediately. I started, for example, here on the 4th of April, the bot at 0.30 o'clock. So and it starts immediately like with the first position, and you see Bitcoin luckily went up. I made like 4% profit because the blue arrow here is just the start of the position right now. Just doesn't matter where the price is. It could be also like upper somewhere. I just started at this specific time, and then the bot is waiting. Okay, what's happening? Are we going down or are we going up? In this case, we just went up, and the take profit is 4.4, and we made, boom, directly $14.85 USDT profit. And then immediately when we finished and took the profit, we start a new deal. So let me explain those areas here. The green zone is like the profit zone because we start here, then we went down, we are a bit in minus, and then it's going up again to the zero, to the break even, and then when we going up, it's a profit zone, the green one. And once we hit the green top, we finish and take the profit. This is settings you can set up as you like. I like 4.4% right now. So, and then, as I said, it immediately opened a new position. Then it starts again, like with the BO is a base order, is the very first order of the DCA bot. And then it's going down. And you might see it here, but here's the base order, and then we drop down to a specific percentage, and then open another safety order. So if the first safety order. So this means we are not waiting for 1 month to put in a new amount of money. No, once the price drops down a specific value, it issues or it starts a new safety order. So and then we averaging down the price. You can see here like the yellow zone, which is like between the green and the yellow zone directly in the middle. This is a 0%, zero profit. So here we start. So and then when we start the first safety order, because it went down, we averaging down the zero profit zone. So therefore, we are going sideways a bit. Yeah, we are more in the minus because Bitcoin goes down, but I'm absolutely not worried at all because I'm happy when it drops, because then I fill more safety orders, and then the price goes. So, and then, oh, Bitcoin went up with one base order and safety order and made profit. So it's important because here at first we made like $14 because we had like a base order only, and now we filled like one base order with one safety order. So we have a bigger amount and we're averaging down the price. So therefore we make more profit. So basically you are happy when the price drops because you fill more safety orders, because on the long term, you know, Bitcoin go up. So then it's happening all the same way again. So one safety order, yeah, it went down more, we fill another safety order, and then wait, Bitcoin, does it go, oh, it drops down again. So, and here it's really, really close, because we're not filling like the third safety order, because the candle is not on the bottom, it's just right before on the minus. But here we do. Yeah, here it drops much more down the Bitcoin, so we fill the third safety order, and you can see how strong the average price here is going down. So we just need less to go up again to make more profits, and we even fill another safety order because it went more down. So you can set up your specific DCA strategy until minus 190% of a coin, but how possibly, or is it that this coin drops now so strong? But therefore, always when it went down, you are happy because you fill more bags, and then look at this, making much more profit here. We have filled 4 safety orders, therefore making, like in this case, 237 USDT profit. And this money, everything in this money gets automatically reinvested in the next base order and safety orders when we start. So this is pretty cool. And if you let just this bot do its work and let it run for, I don't know, years, because you believe in crypto is going up, therefore at the end you will be happy because you gain a lot of money with this, and even do the compound with the reinvest. So I think that's it for now. These are the really basics, how this DCA-Bot works, like 24/7, and it never sleeps, so is emotionless. These bots are really perfectly for your passive income. I totally recommend it. And if you want to know how to set it up, just go to my website, go to the shop and on book service, and I will help you set up everything. And I will show you also how to use this backtester here, where you can visualize these settings and your bot. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next video, where I explain more in detail like the settings behind and how to set up the first DCA bot on the backtester. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.